Learn Persian future tense. I will go.
من خواهم رفت.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, friend. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun shortcut to speaking Persian with confidence. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and bonus drills. Today we'll crack the Persian future tense, have a few laughs, and remind you that
درست می شود.
it will be okay. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say all future forms of to go, like a pro. Pattern tip. In Persian, explicit future equals will, word plus past stem. Think. Subject plus will plus raft, go. I will go.
من خواهم رفت.
You, singular, will go.
تو خواهی رفت.
He will go.
او خواهد رفت.
She will go.
او خواهد رفت.
We will go.
ما خواهیم رفت.
You, plural, formal, will go.
شما خواهید رفت.
They will go.
آنها خواهند رفت.
Bonus comfort phrase. It will be okay.
درست می شود.
Mini dialogue. The trip that definitely happens. Listen in and repeat. You're part of this quirky crew. You, if it rains, I will go anyway.
اگر باران ببارد من خواهم رفت.
Friend, teasing, relax, it will be okay.
درست می شود.
Guide. At 6, you, singular, will go to the station.
ساعت 6 تو خواهی رفت به ایستگاه.
Narrator. After dinner, he will go.
بعد از شام او خواهد رفت.
Narrator. She will go straight home.
او مستقیم به خانه خواهد رفت.
You, excited, we will go together.
ما خواهیم رفت با هم.
Guide. To the group, at 9, you, plural, will go to the museum.
ساعت نه شما خواهید رفت به موزه.
Narrator. After the meeting, they will go home.
بعد از جلسه آنها به خانه خواهند رفت.
Pronunciation beat drill. Clap the rhythm and repeat after me. Keep it punchy and fun. Clap, clap, go.
من خواهم رفت.
Clap, clap, go.
تو خواهی رفت.
Clap, clap, go.
او خواهد رفت.
Clap, clap, go.
ما خواهیم رفت.
Clap, clap, go.
شما خواهید رفت.
Clap, clap, go.
آنها خواهند رفت.
Deep breath and smile.
درست می شود.
Grammar snack, 0 calories. Here's the tiny rule that does big work. Future in Persian often uses a, will, helper plus past stem. For go, helper forms plus raft. Examples.
من خواهم رفت. تو خواهی رفت. او خواهد رفت. ما خواهیم رفت. شما خواهید رفت. آنها خواهند رفت.
When life gets messy, Persians also say,
درست می شود.
it will be okay. Keep this one in your pocket. Culture tip. You versus you. Speak politely like a local. For friends, use singular, you.
تو خواهی رفت.
For polite or plural, use.
شما خواهید رفت.
When plans change, don't panic, smile and say.
درست می شود.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'm listening with my super ears. 1. Say, I will go, in Persian. Answer.
من خواهم رفت.
2. Say, you, singular, will go. Answer.
تو خواهی رفت.
3. He will go?
او خواهد رفت.
4. She will go? Same form.
او خواهد رفت.
5. We will go.
ما خواهیم رفت.
6. You, plural, formal, will go.
شما خواهید رفت.
7. They will go.
آنها خواهند رفت.
8. Comfort your friend. It will be okay.
درست می شود.
Challenge round. Ready to flex? Build quick sentences with time words. Say, tomorrow morning, I will go to the gym. Use.
من خواهم رفت.
Say, if you finish early, you, singular, will go home. Use.
تو خواهی رفت.
Say, after lunch, he will go. Use.
او خواهد رفت.
Say, she will go straight home. Use.
او خواهد رفت.
Say, we will go by bike. Use.
ما خواهیم رفت.
Say, at 9, you, plural, will go to the meeting. Use.
شما خواهید رفت.
Say, they will go after the meeting. Use.
آنها خواهند رفت.
And if plans break, breathe and say.
درست می شود.
Goodbye and keep going. You did great today, high five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these future forms.
من خواهم رفت. تو خواهی رفت. او خواهد رفت. ما خواهیم رفت. شما خواهید رفت. آنها خواهند رفت.
And remember.
درست می شود.
For more resources, exercises, and fun shows, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.